lesson is all about expanded noun phrases. Expanded noun phrases make a sentence more interesting by adding one or more adjectives to describe a noun. A noun is a name, place or thing, and an adjective is a describing word. Here are some examples of expanded noun phrases. I admired the gorgeous sunset. The expanded noun phrase is the gorgeous sunset. The ferocious giant lion gobbled up his prey. The expanded noun phrase is the ferocious giant lion. The skilled determined footballer scored a hat-trick. The expanded noun phrase is the skilled determined footballer. An expanded noun phrase can also add detail by saying where the noun is. For example, a juicy orange on the table. Can you identify the expanded noun phrases in the following sentences? The white fluffy cat purred quietly. The expanded noun phrase is the white fluffy cat.